Hi guys, in this video we're going to be drawing a cool character, so stay till the end if you want to learn how I come up with ideas to draw my characters. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a sketchbook. I usually go to Pinterest to find out reference images that I can use for poses, and then I save the one I want to use. Then I start out by drawing out the pose following the anatomy of the image. Okay, the sketch is done. Now it's time for me to draw the facial expression. And guys, you can make it to be spooky, happy again, I guess, a monk, tired face, flattered, sad, and whatever the this is. I always like to use the happy facial expression for all my characters. Okay, this came out looking pretty awesome. Now it's time to ink.
All cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your.
As always, remember to take your time while you're doing this.
It's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all.
I'll be using the skin tones of one of my drawings as reference to color.
Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with the full clip. Shutting line with the loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth. You bed with the right. Love at first sight shit.
Remember to always start with the lightest color because it'll make blending easier later on.
I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. Why the suspicious behind the eyelid. Tell it reckless with the clauses. Careful with the cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me.
Okay, I finished coloring the skin tone. Now it's time to color the clothes, and I'll be using this image as reference. So let's get started. If you're still watching, I just want to say thank you, and please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.
Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, so I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna
Okay, so here's how I color folds on the clothes. Apply a base layer, add the highlight color, add the darkest color, and you blend everything together with the lightest color.
On sight, yellow cash rolls, everything around me. Hunting for the bounty. Wait, that nigga drip on fountain. Ran a tree down by the ounce. Liquor skin brown, slip it down to the earth, spin around. Life is hella short, to make it count. Tell the label I need 3, 4, 5. Better count it back out loud. What we getting into for the night? I never hit reply, but it read. I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than. Yeah.
Okay, now it's time to color the final part of this drawing, which is the pants.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way.
And the drawing is done. Thanks for watching and enjoy the review.
Trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life wasn't any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it's sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack of shit to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a